Purishartha Nakshatras. Do nakshatras have Purishartha? Yes, Purishartha is directly linked to specific nakshatra pathas, guiding the soul's purpose and journey. Every nakshatra carries an inner mission. The Purishartha shows what the soul is secretly chasing through that nakshatra's qualities. Purishartha cycle in relation to nakshatras. Nakshatras. Each nakshatra follows the sequence of dharma, artha, kama, and moksha across its 4 pathas. This cycle repeats 3 times in each zodiac sign, completing 7 full rounds across the entire zodiac wheel.